Welcome to this brief tutorial on blockchain technology. You must have heard about blockchain. Wondered what is it? Don't worry, I will help you to understand it. Let's get started. Blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It has the potential to revolutionize industries ranging from finance to healthcare, and it is important to understand its basics. Each block in the chain contains a record of several transactions, and once a block is added to the chain, the information it contains is permanent and cannot be altered. Birth of blockchain technology. Blockchain came into existence as the 1990s, when a group of researchers began their research in the technology and was originally intended to timestamp digital documents so that it won't be possible to backdate or tamper them, almost like a notary. But it was actually implemented in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, a developer who created the first digital cryptocurrency, named Bitcoin, with the help of blockchain technology. Have you ever wondered, what does a block of the blockchain consist of? As we analyzed that blockchain consists of blocks, so the question would come to our mind that what the blocks of the blockchain consist of? So here we would analyze that what are the content of the blocks. Relevant information. For example, in the case of a Bitcoin, the transaction details and information would be stored in every blocks, like who in the possession of the Bitcoin and to whose possession is the Bitcoin transferred to. Hash. Now hash can be understood in terms of a unique code, like our unique fingerprints, or a unique code like the IN or SSN number in USA and Aadhaar number in India. So when any data is being stored in the blocks of the blockchain, the unique code known as hash is generated. Prev hash. Previous hash is hash, unique code, of the previous block, which is also being stored in the present block being formed, and the process continues in the upcoming blocks to be formed, thus forming the link and building the chain of blocks, i.e. blockchain. Genesis block. The very first block in the blockchain, which doesn't contain any previous hash, is called the Genesis block. It's just like being the very first man being created on earth, i.e. Adam, as per the book of Genesis of the Bible, and thereon continues his family tree. Thus the hash and prev hash helps the users or subscribers to track the total history of transactions through the blocks, thereby making it easier to track all the information, keep all the information unique and crisp, and makes it next to impossible to tamper the data, making the blockchain technology the securest one. Benefits of blockchain. One of the key benefits of blockchain is its security. Transactions are encrypted and stored in a decentralized manner, making it difficult for hackers to access and alter the information. Additionally, because the ledger is decentralized, there is no need for intermediaries to oversee transactions, reducing the risk of fraud and increasing efficiency. Applications of blockchain. Blockchain has a wide range of applications, including finance, healthcare, and supply chain management. For example, in finance, blockchain can be used to process payments and settle transactions in real time. In healthcare, blockchain can be used to store and manage patient health records in a secure and efficient manner. And in supply chain management, blockchain can be used to track the movement of goods from the manufacturer to the consumer, providing greater transparency and accountability. It's time to get some tips for implementing blockchain. Identify a use case. Before implementing blockchain, it is important to identify a specific problem that it can solve. Choose the right platform. There are several blockchain platforms available, and it is important to choose the one that is best suited for your needs. Build a strong network. A strong network of participants is crucial for the success of a blockchain implementation. Focus on security. Blockchain is secure by design, but it is important to ensure that the implementation is secure as well. Plan for scalability. As the number of participants in a blockchain network increases, it is important to plan for scalability. Understanding blockchain. To further simplify the understanding of blockchain, we can take an example of the ledger book, which is maintained in any shop, organization or business hubs. The ledger book is an accounting record of all the financial transactions made. A blockchain is the same as the ledger book but is a distributed ledger that is completely open to anyone, unlike the traditional centralized ledger books, which are only maintained by a person or a group of people. The blockchain stores the information in the form of blocks. Hence, we can say a blockchain is a chain of blocks. Now the question arises, how to use it? The blockchain technology is a very promising technology in terms of securing data and online transactions and handling. Hence, blockchain can be put into use in different domains or fields or work. Some of the domains where blockchain is already put into use are as follows. The most booming domain, having use of blockchain technology, is the cryptocurrency domain. Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency on air and the prices of Bitcoin soar the sky in today's market. Blockchains are also being used in the real estate domain of the USA market, where the notary is done through blockchain technology. So all the records of buying-selling transactions of the real estate are being stored in the blockchain. It also helps in tracking the history of the particular properties of the real estate. We can use blockchain technology for any projects, startups or business, right from the scratch. Thus building the very base of our business to secure, genuine, and maintaining every detail and information required. Point of view. In conclusion, blockchain is a promising technology that has the potential to revolutionize various industries. Blockchain technology could be quite complementary with its promising aspects, in a possibility space for the future world that includes both the centralized and decentralized models. Like any new technology, the blockchain is an idea that initially faces resistance and opposition, hence tends to disrupt, and over time it could promote the development of a larger ecosystem that includes both the old way and the new innovation. Especially in an era where technology like metaverse, i.e. virtual reality, is being worked upon and the future world is perceived as a virtual world through the internet facilitated by the use of virtual reality and augmented reality, the use, need and boom of blockchain is inevitable. By understanding its basics and following the tips outlined in this video, organizations can successfully implement blockchain and reap its benefits.